Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you the new Bluesky Spring Collection SPC 01-4 that has been created by Diva World Bluesky Group. And we have SPC 01, which is coconut milk, SPC 02, which is porcelain, SPC 04, which is warm sand, and then SPC 03, which is the pink lavender. All of these are beautiful colours, and I'm going to be swatching them in the velvet top coat that you can see at the end of the video. So now I'm going to get onto the swatches and comparisons. So here is SPC 01 coconut milk, which I think is a lovely custard creamy cream. This colour applies like a dream. It applies in 2 coats and goes on quite thick. Even with thin layers, it's very opaque. So this is the second coat that I'm just about to put on here. This has covered in 2 coats. Amazing for a cream. So here is the comparison against SPC 01 and the other creams and beiges in my collection. The names of these are displayed in the other video that I did of my whole nude Bluesky collection. Onto SPC 02, which is porcelain. This colour is lovely. It's more of a cold toned cream colour. And onto my first coat, which I've already applied, it is quite opaque, slightly less thick than SPC 01. And here you can see it goes opaque again in 2 coats. This collection is amazing for coverage. And here is porcelain versus the other creams in my collection. And here porcelain next to SPC 01 and the other creams in the collection, just so you can see where it fits in. Onto SPC 03 pink lavender. This isn't like any other pink in my collection. It's a lovely lilac pink tone. It covers in 2 coats. Onto my first coat, which I've already started applying. You can see here the coverage, it's really thick and opaque. onto the second coat. This is an actual dream to work with, this new spring collection. Absolutely amazing. All apply in 2 coats. And here is Pink Lavender in with all my pink and pink lilac tones and very pale pinks that I have. The closest one to 2 is the QXG 210 on the very end, but it's still nowhere near anything like that. Last but not least is Warm Sand SPC04. This one is my absolute favourite out of the whole collection. It applies in just 1 coat and is just amazing to work with, and is unlike any other nude in my collection. So you may have noticed some of my Bluesky bottles that I have a weird label on. That is because I am a member and admin of the Diva World Bluesky group here in the UK on Facebook. If you are a UK Bluesky lover, do join the group. They have some fabulous deals on Bluesky colours, as well as some great competitions where you can win. And here is Warm Sand next to all my beige, nude and browny tones. You can see it fits right at the opposite end of the creams, but before the warm browns. It's completely different to anything else I have out of any of the nudes we've got. And here you can see all finished and completed with the no wipe top coat on the top and the velvet top coat at the bottom. This collection I absolutely adore, and I've already used it loads. Links will be in the description box below for where you can purchase. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.